Hi there and welcome back to Stuck at the World. My name's Alice and today we are rearranging my room once again. You've probably seen this room now in a couple of phases. When I started I was actually over here. Well, the desk was over here, sorry. So I was over here, and then I've been over here, as you can see in the background, with everything where it is now. But we are actually rearranging the room entirely once again. So the desks are actually gonna end up behind me. There's gonna be a sewing station for my mum. We're gonna revamp the room a little bit. It's gonna be awesome. As you can tell, the bed that has been here for ages is now no longer there. So we're in a position now where we can actually start moving these around. And I thought it would be fun to just do a little vlog with you guys, kind of show you the changing of the room and bring you a little bit in behind the scenes to kind of see the whole setup of me in here in this room. I have actually come back here on a more permanent basis now. I did an update just before the lockdown all happened, or just after the lockdown all happened, to say that I'd temporarily moved back here, but that is now a more permanent thing. So I'm going to be based here for a while. So we're just kind of refining everything, making sure everything's good, everything's going to look nice, and kind of getting the optimum setup, if you will, for me to utilize to work and to record into YouTube and stuff in this room. First task is to empty it all out, and I'll keep you updated through the process. Okay, so everything is now out. There is absolutely nothing in this room now, so enjoy the lovely echo. It's all dotted around outside in other rooms. So at this point, the walls are going to get painted. As you can see, our lovely white splobs, because I've had a lot of things on the wall over the years and moved things around, and extension leads and caps and what have you has been on the wall. There is a box of things that will go back onto the wall, but we don't know where they're gonna go yet. So for now, we're filling all the holes, sorry, so that we can then rearrange the tacks when we are done. But for now, that's everything out of the room. The walls are gonna get painted, and I will see you when we're putting things back in. Okay, so that is the base of most things done. We did in fact build the desk today, which I didn't think we were going to do. We've just discovered we have to build the chair. Can you see the chair? Which we're not doing today because it's late and we're absolutely shattered. But we got a lot of things in that I didn't think we'd get in, which is good. So I think we're nearly there with it. We're nearly good and nearly all set up. So I'll be back tomorrow to finish it off. For you, will be instantaneous, but for me, I'm gonna go chill, I'm gonna go relax, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, day 2 of rearranging the room. Today we built the chair because it's in a box, not as a chair. And then we're gonna start the rest of the stuff. We're pretty much nearly done here, so hopefully it won't be too long. Yay! So the chair is built. I'm now on a ladder because we are putting things on the wall. Haha. We're just decorating now a little bit and kind of rearranging things, sorting things out, because things that were in here aren't in here, and now things that were in here need to come back in here. That didn't make sense, but hopefully it will. things on the walls, as you can see. And finally got the drive crate circuits as well up on the wall, which is exciting, with space, with room to grow. So that's going to be it for the moment. There's still a few more bits to sort out, but we are pretty much there. I think that's pretty much everything in now. So it's just sorting some things out. I'm finally going to re-sort out this, and then I will show you the room. It's all quite different. There used to be a bed in here. For 24 years there's been a bed in here, and now there is no bed. So it's all a bit different. It's a bit more space. I can do this now, which is great filming. I'm going to take you through the computer a little bit as I set that back up, and then I'll give you a happy little revealing tour. How fun. Not too revealing though. Well, not, I just sounded wrong. I'm sorry. Welcome to the floor, the place where all the magic happens. I am planning on upgrading this computer system, so I will do a proper setup tour when that is upgraded. But just for now, just to kind of run through what I do have, this is a £170 computer I got off eBay. It was a refurbished desktop computer. Literally just Googled gaming computer into eBay. It's been perfectly fine. There's been absolutely nothing wrong with it. It came with a 710 GTX graphics card, and as you've seen, there's a video on the channel when I upgraded the GPU in this, so it now runs a 1030, which isn't amazing, it isn't perfect, but it does enable me to run a lot more games than I could have done with the 710, so definitely a worthwhile upgrade, and it wasn't too expensive to do. Here I just have, this is a little ring light I use to give me a bit more even lighting on my face. It's not really much to it. It is just basically a ring light. It just, I can't even turn it on because it's not plugged in yet. I've got two monitors. This is the Dell monitor that came with, actually did it come with? I may have got this. Again, it wasn't very expensive, but this is just a standardized monitor. It goes in with, I think it's a DVI. I want to say this is a DVI input for this monitor. This is actually an old television, Samsung TV, so that's my HDMI. This is my main monitor. This monitor gives me the 920 by 1080p great framing for you guys for optimizing YouTube and stuff, so that is why I use that. I have a gaming computer and mouse kit. You can't see it, it's currently hidden over here, and the mouse is under wires over here. A bit better than the keyboard set that came with the computer in the first place. A little bit flashy, and they now have RGB lights on them and stuff, so they're a bit cooler. Not really any, I don't really feel much more benefit from them apart from the mouse. It just feels nicer and is nicer to hold. But yeah, that's what I run there. This is just a Logitech webcam that I use for when I stream. Normally when I'm recording I use this, which is a Canon G7X PowerShot 2, or something along those lines. Usually I use this or my phone. I have been using my phone for the majority. This is a very new purchase, so very recently the videos have been using this because it's just, you can see it's just better quality image, so you can see how clear I am, you can see how spotty I am. It's so lovely and clear. When I'm normally recording I'll either use this or my phone because I'm having a couple of technical issues with this when I'm doing long videos and such, something I'm still working through, but for now predominantly I'm using this, which again, Canon G7X PowerShot 2. Otherwise I'm using my phone, which is an iPhone 11 Pro, which has got a very good camera on it, but compared to this is just nowhere near as good, so go old Canon. Microphone, I can't remember what this mic is. I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description box if you're interested in the mic. It's a pretty good mic. It's not super expensive, it's not super handy dandy, it's not amazing. It just plugs in by USB, which you'll see later on when I'm plugging things back in. So it's just straight to USB, but obviously pairing that with Audition, I just get a nice crisper sound. I can noise cancel and stuff, so it does sound a lot better after recording. And this is my most recent purchase, Nubwo headphones. They're very good. They're more comfortable, which is one of the things I used to wear. Was it Kit Sound, I think? Were the headphones I used to wear, but I got these because they're more comfortable. The Kit Sound were great, and the Kit Sound are Bluetooth, so I could either Bluetooth pair them or wire them in. I always wired them when I'm recording because it's just another thing I don't have to worry about going wrong. But after a long period of time, like there'd be some times where I'd do an hour recording on an hour recording on an hour recording, and I'd be recording basically for 3 hours straight, have them on, and then they just start to hurt my ears. Whereas these are nice and comfortable. They got really nice cushioning. They're also orange because, of course, on the channel. And also they come with this microphone, which is great for other kind of gaming. So I've been doing some commentary on some esports recently, and these have been great for me to be able to chat to the drivers and just plug these straight into the PlayStation basically, and not have to worry about having a headphone set and a mic set. So it's a good all-in-one, and I can use them with the PlayStation, Xbox, computer, whatever. Like I say, I don't use this mic. Normally it's tucked back like this when I record, because I use this mic for when I'm recording. I think that's about it on hardware-wise. I don't think there's much more to talk about hardware-wise. I'm just going to wire it all up, and if I think of anything else, I'll come back in. I knew there'd be something I forgot. So I also have this little guy. What? This is my Elgato HD 60 Game Live capture card. This is how I basically do any Switch recording or any PlayStation recording or anything that isn't PC based. The HDMI from the console goes into that and then into the computer, which then I can then use, and I look through OBS Studio to get that up and running. This is something I haven't had before though. It's a nice kind of organized system. I've had them labeled for ages, but actually having them here and accessible like this, and this is good cable tidying. I hate cable tidying. It's the most annoying thing in the world. Cables go everywhere. They have a life of their own, but I've actually done not a bad job this time. So fingers crossed that I get too annoyed with that. Hello and welcome to my little wonderland. It's all done now. The desk is all set up now, so that is good for me when I'm working or when I am recording. I have everything set up as it should be, so there should be no issues on the way there. We also have a sewing area right here for my mum and me. I have done one sewing video, but there are a few more in the works, so this is predominantly what I will be when I do those. We've got this nice little storage system here with a space for things for upcoming videos, for material and stuff, for games, and space to expand, and also a load of camera gear and stuff as well. Also have this funky ass light, which I can make change color, which I'm very excited to use in some videos that are coming up soon, hopefully, if I can get my finger up my ass. But that will hopefully be used in those and you'll be able to see that. We then got the lovely little bookshelf slash display shelf slash background and backdrop of me recording when I'm sat at the desk. We also have this lovely new little chair, which I am planning on optimizing when I'm recording, predominantly for like review videos or things coming into the future. This is going to be the space in which I sit to do those. So that should be good, and I think that's kind of it. It's just a small room, but we've optimized the space really well, and I think we've got a good cracking little setup here, so I can do anything I need to do in here and bring you guys along to have a look. But I hope you enjoyed setting up the room with us. Let me know if you enjoyed this kind of video, this kind of behind the scenes, more of a vlog style thing, and if you want more of these, I'm more than happy to put them together for you and bring you along as I do bits and bobs about my usual day-to-day, if they're of any interest, like something like this. But as this is somewhere you see a lot, I thought I'd give you a little tour and show you around kind of my space, my recording space. But for now, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It's been an absolute blast as always. If you enjoyed this video, go show that like button some good old-fashioned love. And if you want to support the channel, go hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss next time I upload a video. Stay awesome, and I will see you all in the next video! We're done.